Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to talk about Mr. Beast. If you are here, I know you already know him. He is one of the most famous YouTubers in the world. People love his videos because he does big challenges, gives away money, and helps people. But do you really know how he became so successful? His real name is Jimmy Donaldson. He was born on May 7, 1998, in Kansas, USA. He grew up in a small town and loved video games and YouTube from a very young age. When he was only 13 years old, he created his first YouTube channel. At that time, he had no fancy camera, no team, and no big plan. He just had a dream and a simple mobile phone. He started making videos about games and funny challenges. But at first, no one watched his videos. Sometimes, after working very hard, he got only 10 or 20 views. Most people would stop and feel sad, but Jimmy did not stop. He continued to make videos every single day because he believed that one day, people would notice his work. He kept learning from his mistakes and slowly got better. He studied other YouTubers, learned about editing, and tried to understand what makes a video interesting. He once spent many days just counting numbers from 1 to 100,000 in one single video. It was boring for some people, but it showed his focus and patience. Slowly, his hard work started to pay off. His views increased, and more people started to follow him. He began to create new ideas, bigger challenges, and more exciting videos. He was not afraid to take risks. Even when some videos failed, he learned from them and tried again. This shows how strong and focused he was on his dream. Mr. Beast is not only hardworking but also very smart. He uses his creativity and planning in every video. He spends money to make his videos better and more fun. He gives cars, money, and houses to random people. People love his kindness and honesty. He does not make videos only for fame. He makes them to help and entertain others. He believes that success becomes more powerful when you use it to make others happy. This is one of the main reasons why millions of people respect and love him so much. Jimmy also started his own charity work. He helped plant millions of trees around the world through his project called Team Trees. Later, he started another project called Team Seas to clean the oceans. These projects helped nature and made people believe that YouTube can be used for good things too. Mr. Beast always says that if you have a big platform, you should use it to do something positive for others. This shows that success is not only about money but also about kindness and purpose. But behind all this success, there were many struggles. Mr. Beast worked day and night, planning, writing, editing, and managing his ideas. He was not rich at the start. Sometimes, he did not have enough money to make a big video, but he still tried. He used what he had and focused on improving little by little. He says that you don't need to be perfect when you start, you just need to start and keep going. This is one of the biggest lessons from his journey. He also believes in teamwork. Today, he has a big team that helps him make videos, but he always treats them like friends. He trusts them and shares his success with them. This shows that when you help others grow, your success also grows. He believes that happiness comes when you create something meaningful with good people. From his journey, we can learn many things. We learn to never give up, no matter how small your beginning is. We learn that every failure is a step toward success. We learn to keep improving, learning, and believing in ourselves. We learn that helping others can make our own life happier and more successful. Mr. Beast's life teaches us that dreams take time, patience, and courage. Nothing happens in one day. You have to keep working, even when no one is watching, because one day, your hard work will shine. So my dear friends, remember that success is not about luck. It is about hard work, smart thinking, and helping others. Just like Mr. Beast, we all can achieve our dreams if we stay focused and kind. If you liked this story, comment below and tell us which lesson you liked the most. Also, don't forget to join the English Academy team to learn English in a fun and easy way. Keep learning, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.